Now, what is Shopify? Now, to put it simply, Shopify is an e-commerce platform that allows you to have your own website and host your own shop and sell your own products. It's as simple as that. Do not even complicate it. It is like a software that gives you the chance to have your own brand, to own your own product, to own your own business and run it the way you want. So once you pay them the monthly fee, they host their website for you. You can buy your domain name. That's like your internet's username. You can buy your domain name from them or from any platform, any domain service provider, and then link it up with Shopify and have your own shop. Now, the beauty about Shopify is that it allows you to connect with different platforms. So you can have your Shopify store, your own business, and connect it on YouTube. Connect it to YouTube, connect it to X, to Meta, that is Facebook and Instagram, connected to TikTok, connected to different print providers like Printify, like Printful, like Gelato, Shine On and sell your jewelry, like Awkward Styles and sell your candles. You can connect to different places. You can connect to places like Tea Launch and sell your welcome signs. Like you see those welcome signs on at houses that say the Williams, welcome to the Williams residence, the Extian Della's residence, things like that. You can literally sell that all through Shopify. You can sell makeup, you can sell office equipment, you can sell different things, anything you can think about. You can have your own business, your own shop with your own name, with your own brand. You control your own email address, you control your own marketing, you control your own bank, your own money, your own everything. That is Shopify in a nutshell. So it is an old platform, started in 2004. It has an annual revenue of 4.9 billion US dollars. That is the global economic activity of all the sellers on the platform. They generate a global economic activity revenue of 4.9 billion US dollars. Now, Shopify, all the shops on Shopify cumulatively have 2.1 million visitors, visiting 4.8 million stores currently hosted on Shopify. And this is a huge number of people visiting all these stores each and every day. Shopify have monthly fees. It's one thing you need to understand. They do have a free trial, a 30-day trial. They have sometimes extended trial periods, but you have to pay each and every month. You have to pay for the hosting and for you just to use their platform. One thing to know, they also have transaction fees apart from you just paying for the monthly fee to host you. They also have transaction fees per product sold. And that's one of the things that you need to be very cognizant about when you're getting into this industry, when you're getting into Shopify, starting Shopify. In terms of product range, now, Shopify really does not really limit the products unless they're illegal products, illegal things that you really can't sell on the internet. But Etsy allows you to sell a lot of products, vast, depending on the print-on-demand partner. So all the products that are print-on-demand partner, these major ones provide, you can sell on Etsy. And the beauty on Shopify, and the beauty about Shopify is that you can make a custom shop just sell one thing. You can sell shoes, you can sell cornholes, you can sell pickleball paddles, you can sell stadium seats. I've seen people sell stadium seats. You can sell skateboards, you can sell towels, you can sell gym equipment, you can sell gym wear, and I've seen a lot of people do that all over print. There's so many things you can just sell. Phone cases, you can open a business, you're just selling phone cases, just that, and you can make a kill, and you can just brand it with your Shopify store. So you're not limited in terms of product range. You're not really limited by Shopify. What limits you is your print provider. In terms of the target audience, it varies according to the print provided target audience. It depends on you, who you are targeting, because you're the business owner. You decide who you're targeting. Now, the pros about Etsy: number one, it gives you full control over your branding, over your store, over your email address, over so much that all this other print service providers and this platform, print-on-demand platforms, do not give you. Like, you cannot have your own email address. And as a creator, as a business, having an email list is one of the biggest, most important things you can ever have, because it means that you have access to market and push whatever you want to push at zero cost, just using your email address, even Gmail or even Yahoo or whatever you're using, to your clients. You can do that because you own that email list. You have that. But on these other marketing platforms, you really can't do that. You do not own. So it gives you flexibility of product range. You decide, you can brand your whole store depending on a product you feel and like, your colors. You can do whatever. You can have offers if you want. You cannot have offers. You can sell product depending on your own pricing. You can do whatever you want. It is your store. It is you. You decide how far you want to take this. The cons that you need to understand, though, if you're getting into this platform, into Shopify, might sound good, might sound amazing, but also it has some few negative sides that we need to talk about. Number one, it requires more effort to set up and manage. If you are not tech savvy, if you do not know how to make logos, to make websites, if you do not know anything about this, it will be very challenging for you, because you can't keep on paying someone to do it for you. You have to install the apps for yourself. You have to input your banking details in these apps for them to actually work. It's too much work that is involved. You need to go. It's a lot of work before you get into this. You need to go and have, let me say, specialized training. You need to watch a lot of videos on YouTube. You need to watch a lot of lessons. You need to learn a lot before you get into this industry. You just can't wake up and start Shopify and make it succeed. Another thing, higher overall costs. As I said, there's a lot of apps you need to use on Shopify. A lot of apps to track your payment, to make sure that products are actually delivered, to respond to emails. There's so much to upsell, to downsell. And there's so much involved in Shopify. You need to get the traffic there. So you need to have either a very big social media presence, or you need to be paying for advertisement to get traffic to Shopify. Because your private website, chances are high, no one will know it when you're starting out. So it's a bit of a hurdle when you're starting Shopify. These are things that you need to know. So in a nutshell, that is Shopify, the key takeaways about Shopify. There's so much more about Shopify that I've not included here, but these are just some of the things that you need to look at. Something you can easily take a screenshot and just have it on the go if you want to refresh your memory about some of the facts about Shopify. I hope you got some value from today's lesson about Shopify. And if you do, please give me a like, a comment, share below. Share this video. And if you're new to print on demand, want to learn more about print on demand, I'm currently hosting a live class right now, a live webinar right now, teaching you how to start print on demand from start to finish, each and everything you need to understand and know about print on demand. You're just basically looking over my shoulder as I teach you the intricacies and the nuances about this industry, so that you start with a proper footing. So scan this code, get it right now. I'm going to leave all the links as well on the pinned comment below and in the description box. My good name is XTNL. Thank you very much for joining me in today's class. Thank you very much for the privilege of your time. I do not take it for granted that you've been with me up to this point. A big shout out to you. See you on the next one.